Good morning. I have been enjoying watching the discussions on the beverage presentations, so thank you so much for your participation. And there's still a few more days to either submit your beverage submission if you haven't yet, and also participate in the discussions. This week we're going to be focusing on the restaurant business. So similar to what we talked about a couple weeks ago with food and beverage business kind of within a hotel setting, this expands upon that food and beverage concepting, thinking about standalone restaurants. You'll be able to review some information on restaurant business and classifications of restaurants, as well as some articles that I found on trends for 2021. I have not seen 2022 trends just yet. It's a little bit early for those to be coming out. And then as an additional reminder, there is the food and beverage assignment that I had introduced a couple weeks ago. It's not going to be due until October 17th. So as we get more information in the weeks regarding the restaurant business and food and beverage in general, I invite you to review that content prior to submitting your assignment. And if you've already submitted it and you want to add to it, you're welcome to do that as well. The concepts on the restaurant business will be a great assignment that I always enjoy hearing your creativity on, and that's building your own restaurant. So week one, building your own restaurant, is going to think about kind of themes and classifications and that kind of thing, and then we'll be building upon it next week. So I'll look forward to reviewing your submissions on that. And then finally, and also more forward thinking, I've introduced the assignment for mind mapping, which you can take a look at. It is due in several weeks, so it does give you an opportunity to review it and ask me any questions. I really hope that you're enjoying all of what you've learned so far and getting into the food and beverage business, which is where most of us have a lot of our experience. So I look forward to hearing some of your stories as well. I do invite you also to visit the discussion page on service evaluations so that we can begin looking at some of those experiences, especially when we're thinking about restaurant business. It's usually a natural place where we can go to maybe share the stories of some of your experiences that you've had. So have a great week. Let me know if there's any questions, and I look forward to reviewing your own restaurant you're building. Thank you so much.